Chris Menard here. Microsoft Teams now has name pronunciation. This will help you and your colleagues avoid mispronunciations. I'm going to show you one, how to record your name, and two, what a colleague will see. Let's dive in right now. I have the Teams desktop running. I am in my account. Up in the top right is my profile picture that comes from my profile card. I'm going to click on my email, which I have blurred out intentionally. When I click on my email, there is my profile card. Notice the microphone here, because I haven't done this yet. I want to record my name. First time doing this, so let's see what happens. I'm going to click it. Perfect. This is available to people at work or school when they use M365. Let's see what else it says here. It does include guest account, which are pretty cool. A guest account would be someone that you invited to one of your teams. Your teams have channels. They would be able to see this also. So let's go ahead and record right here. Chris Menard. Sounds good to me. I'm going to save it. The icon did change. I don't know if I can hear it. Let's give it a shot. Let's click it again. Cancel. No, I'm going to stay with it. But notice I do want to point out you could delete it and do it again. I'm going to pull up Carol Wilson's account now. Let's see what this sounds like. I'm going to click on, this is Carol Wilson. Clicking here, Chris Menard. Anyway, great feature. I'm actually loving this. I appreciate your time. My online training classes are available down below, including my Microsoft Teams class, which is a huge hit on Udemy. Thank you so much. Have a great day.